Hi everyone, welcome back to One Data Wizard. Up till now, we have been talking about retrieving data. However, SQL is a complete language that supports all sorts of operations, including write, update, and delete. We call it the CRUD operations: create or insert, read or select, update and delete. Today, let's learn about data creation through the insert statement. Use insert or insert into to add new rows into a table. Typical use cases are: create a new row, insert multiple rows at once, load data from another table, also called bulk insert. The figure shows the 4 ways to use the insert statement. As you can note, the last 2 statements does not include the into keyword. That's because it is optional. Now, observing these statements, you can also observe that insert supports multiple formats. The first, the second, and the third queries are literally the same. The fourth query is a variation using a select subquery to feed the data for insertion. As a best practice, always list all columns in the insert statement. Insert can have a very interesting behavior when dealing with primary key and foreign key columns. Primary keys must be unique, cannot be null, and any attempt to insert a duplicate raises an error and the data is not inserted at all. Foreign keys values must exist in the parent table, unless the foreign key allows null. Non-null, non-existing foreign key values raise an error. By abiding to these rules, SQL is able to enforce the relationship between tables, making the whole data model consistent. Here are some tips. Always list all columns in an insert statement. Use multi-row insert for speed when loading many records. Wrap related inserts in a transaction when consistency matters, as shown in the figure. The most common pitfalls in using insert are: missing the column list leads to wrong column mapping or breaks after schema changes. Always be precise in listing columns. Type mismatches cause inserting text into numeric and date fields, wrong date format, etc. Use proper literals and formats. Null into not null columns happens when you omit required columns or pass null. Always check schema constraints and rely on defaults when intended. Duplicate PK causes collisions. Prefer auto-generated keys or controlled sequences. FK violation might happen while inserting a child row before the parent. Always insert parent first or ensure parent exists. Quoting mistakes like strings in double quotes and identifiers sometimes in single quotes leads to errors. Use single quotes for strings and avoid reserved words as column names. Inserting into the wrong environment like development versus production can cause confusion. Always prefix table names with schema name. As a quick recap, use insert to add rows. Always specify the columns. PKs must be unique and not null. FKs must reference existing parent rows. Most failures come from constraints, missing columns, wrong types, or ordering of inserts. I hope you liked the content. If yes, provide your like, subscribe to this channel, and share with others. See you in our next class.